Hello GP learners, in today's tutorial we will revisit the different tricks of subtracting 3. Let's explore those abacus tricks by solving some addition and subtraction problems. Place 188, ones place, tens place, hundreds place, 100, 50 and 30, 80, 5 and 3, 8, 188. Less 33, 3 from tens place, 3 from ones place. Again less 33, this time bits are not available to less 33 directly. That's why we will use small friends of 3. Less 5 add 2 on tens place, the same formula less 5 add 2 on ones place to less 33. We will subtract 33 one more time. This time bits are not available, small friends formula is not applicable. That's why we will apply big friends formula. Less 10 add 7 on tens place, less 10 add 7 on ones place to less 33. Value of the bits is 8, 9, 89. Zoom the abacus this way and solve the next problem. Place 988. This is hundreds place, 500 and 400, 900, tens place, 50 and 30, 88, 5 and 3, 8. 988. Less 333. Less 3 from hundreds place, less 3 from tens place, less 3 from ones place. This way we have subtracted 333. Now we will subtract 33 applying small friends of 3. Less 5 add 2 on tens place, same formula less 5 add 2 on ones place. We will subtract 33 one more time. To less 33, less 3 from tens place, applying big friends formula, less 10 add 7, less 3 from ones place, applying the same formula, less 10 add 7. Bits are left 5, 8, 9, 589. These are the magical tricks. Applying these tricks, we can subtract 3 from ones place, tens place, hundreds place and so on. To learn more abacus tricks, stay with us by doing like, share and subscribe to Zippy Learning. Thank you for watching.